I just finished this vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. This would have been made in the late 1950s, early 1960s. It's the classic red and black colored German bird. Very nice condition overall. I did service the singing bird cage, so it works exactly as it should. Very pretty example. I'm going to start off on the pause feature, which is the first setting. So let's do that. All singing bird cages have a pause function. If that doesn't work, then there's something wrong with the bellows or the movement inside. Nice long pause. Let's move to continuous. The bird opens and closes her beak and flaps her tail, synchronized to the singing bird song, and also rotates her head left to right. Very strong singer. A nice loud bird cage in a good way. The mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Go ahead and turn it off. Bear with me here. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. So in summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage in very nice cosmetic condition and mechanical condition as well, fully serviced, so you don't have any worries. Take care.